Hello everyone, welcome to this video series on Web Technologies Lab. So today we are going to look at program 4 and the subprogram B. Okay, in the previous program we have already, in the previous video we have already seen the subprogram A. So now we are going to look at subprogram B, right? So in this program they are asking us to read a number by using prompt. Okay, so prompt is used to read input in JavaScript. Okay. So after reading this number n using prompt, what they are asking us to do is they're asking us to calculate the factorial of that number n, and they are asking us to display the result using alert. So in program 2, you are already familiar with alert, right? Alert is used to display some messages. Okay. Generally we use it for displaying some output messages, right? Okay. Now let us see how to do this program. Okay, right. So this is the previous program, which is used to display date. So let me save this file as factorial. Okay, so the type is already selected as HTML, so no need to give .html here. So click save. Right, now it is saved as factorial.html. Now I will make some changes here. So instead of date demo, I will display factorial. Okay, and let's remove this function. And in the body section, we don't need this label. Okay, and this text box is also not needed, so let's remove that. So we will keep this button, and the value I will write as get factorial. Okay, so when I click this button, it is going to execute the function factorial. Okay, so this function I will write here in the JavaScript, right? So function factorial. Okay, now, so in the question they asked us to use the prompt, right? So I will write prompt, and here we will write some message to display. Okay, so the message I am writing is enter a number to calculate factorial. So I am asking the user to enter a number for calculating the factorial. Now this prompt is going to give back me a string. Okay, but we don't need a string, it is a number, right? So we want it as an integer. So to convert the string into integer, we will use parse int. Okay, right. And this number, which is written by parse int, we will store in a variable called n. Okay, where n equal to parse int. Inside the parse int, we are writing the prompt, and we will end it with semicolon. Okay, right. So next, we have already read the number n. Now we have to calculate the factorial. So for calculating factorial, I am creating a variable called f and initializing it to 1. Now I will write a for loop. So declaring the variable I. So I am starting from 2. Okay. And the condition is as long as the number is less than or equal to the number which is taken as input, that is n, and I plus plus. So here to calculate the factorial, I will simply write f equal to f into the variable I. Okay, that's all. Now after the for loop, I will display the result using alert. So I want to display some message factorial of, okay, plus n. Okay, and I want to write the text is, now here I will display the value factorial value which is available in the variable f. That's all. This is the code. Okay, so I am reading a variable. I am reading a value that is number and storing it in n. And here I am writing the code to calculate the factorial. And finally, I am displaying the result of the factorial using alert. Okay, now let's see the execution. So factorial, right? I am displaying a button and displaying a text called get factorial. Okay, so when I click this, so this is the prompt. It is asking enter a number to calculate factorial. So I am giving 5 and clicking on OK. So it is displaying factorial of 5 is 120. So this is alert dialog. Okay, so that's all. This is the second program. Thank you.